This is Sarah here with American Trade Show. I am going to help you explore the differences between the 1D barcode technology and the 2D barcode technology and what your exhibitors are going to experience when dealing with both of them. So the first real difference that you're going to notice is how they look, how the barcode actually looks. And I have some examples here. So this is your 1D, kind of the barcode you kind of see on lots of products everywhere. And this is going to be the 2D barcode. It's a little bit more denser. It has some more information. Another big difference between these two barcodes is what's encoded in the actual barcode. A 1D barcode really only has a number that's assigned to a person. So when you scan a badge, it literally is just a number. The 2D barcode is going to contain all of an attendee's information. So everything that they've kind of registered with, name, position or title, company name, full address, phone, fax, email. So when you scan their badge, you're going to be able to see all of their information pop up on the screen. The next thing that you're going to notice between the two different types of technology is the scanners that are typically used with each one. With a 1D barcode, you're typically going to see these little clicker type devices. It's kind of old school. What you do is you kind of point a little light on a barcode, and then it'll beep. There you go. And then you'll know that you've gotten a good scan. And you'll notice you can't really confirm anything. You can't see any of the person's information on the screen. So you're kind of just praying that it went through. With the 2D barcode, these are the units that we typically use. It's our MC50, and it's probably our most popular unit. You can see all the information shows up on the screen when you scan a badge. And then we've also got qualifier and notes, and I'll kind of show you how that works. So let's see. Made a nice little badge with your name on it. So you just kind of press the buttons on the side, and you can see how easy that was. A little beep goes off, and then all the information is going to show up there. From there, we also have the ability to add qualifiers, and on all of our units, we have 20 standard qualifiers. And there's things that pretty much everybody's going to be able to use. Add to mailing list, current customer, hot lead, and you just scroll down for a bunch more of those. Another cool feature that we have is the notes field. So, you know, if your exhibitor is talking to an attendee, any additional information that they give, you can enter in here. So it's pretty cool for the exhibitors to have that information. We can also do surveys on this unit as well. So say exhibitor has a survey, 10 questions that they want to ask, get a little bit more detailed information. They can also do that easily with the 2D barcode technology. Another main difference is going to be post-show. After the show, with the 1D barcode, your exhibitors are going to have to wait a few days to receive their leads. Since it is just a number that they're receiving, we have to, once the information comes back to the office, we have to link that to the database, put it all together, and then send it out. So there is a couple-day lag time with that. With the 2D barcode, the exhibitors are going to receive that information immediately. On the last day, it's a rental, so when they return the unit to us, we download it onto a little USB thumb drive. It'll be in Excel format, and they'll receive that immediately. So if they want to go home and that day and put it in Salesforce or whatever they want to do, they can start acting on those leads immediately. So I think those are really the main differences between everything. To kind of sum it all up, the barcodes, I mean, they are similar. They're both barcodes, but they really are not going to compare. I think, and we've heard from a lot of the exhibitors, the note-taking features and the qualifiers and the ability to add a survey is invaluable. It's priceless, especially when they're following up with the attendees. They're going to know what they're interested in, what they want to buy, any detailed notes that you've added in. So it's really helpful to them. Typically with a show like yours, lead retrieval is going to be offered to increase your exhibitor's ROI, which would keep them coming back to you. And we think the best way to help your exhibitors do that is going to be to offer the 2D barcode technology with your lead retrieval. So I hope that kind of went over everything, all the differences between 1D and 2D. And I hope that helps. So if you need anything else, let us know. Thanks, Brittany. Bye.